So this one is about anger versus tough conversations. अरे हम लोग सब कभी तो गुस्सा होते हैं, we get angry, it's our humanness. But what do we do when we get angry? We explode. We are not able to. It's always black and white. Either you are angry or you suppress yourself. With me, what happened was I had these two maids, women maids, and I was always petrified of them. मुझे ऐसा डर लगता था कि if I say anything to them, वो लोग चले जाएंगे. So I could never navigate कि exactly कैसे बात करना है. So sometimes I'd be very friendly with them and they would just treat me a little हल्के में लेते थे. Otherwise I could get very angry and then they would say I'm going to, I would get into a tizzy. I didn't understand how to do and I've seen my friends, they're so rude to their mates. Sometimes they're really horrible and nasty, and yet those maids stay. And me, I do everything, try to give them on time, and you do all the sweet things which I feel I should do and I'm capable of doing. But they would listen. Then they would do be unkind to me, and then I realized it was coming from me. I didn't know the difference between anger and tough conversation. So when I understood this, मुझे लगा I will sit them down and say this is what I want, this is what I expect, this is what I'm paying you for, these are the hours, this is the behavior I want. तो जब मैंने कहा, मैंने हाथ धक धक हो रहा था कि I was not used to sitting somebody down and telling them that this is what I require. My voice थोड़ा सा ऊंचा भी हुआ, but then when I modulated my voice and I calmly, firmly said, this is what I want. So this is the tough conversation because I was scared and they were also like, क्या कि मैडम तो कभी बोलती नहीं है. So the tough conversation versus anger. So I really understood कि नहीं, other person also has a point of view. They are also thinking कि कुछ तो they are also missing. They also want to communicate. So I understood because of my behavior, they were getting angry, and because they were getting angry, I was getting angry and scared. So I understood the difference between anger, just bhram wala anger, and tough conversation, आराम से बात करके, well modulated, well thought, and we got along so well after that. So I thought it was so easy, and I just thought I wanted to share this with you. I wonder if you all go through any of this as what I have gone through. It's okay now. I'm in control.